Hi. Now I at the Labrador MRT. Today we'll go to Labrador Park to hunt for insects. Walao, you see my handheld for my handphone is broken. I thought it's metal, but it's plastic. Now I have to just hand carry my phone for the vlog. And it's very simple to go to the park. You just come out from the MRT and then you just walk toward this road. Just go inside. Okay, from here you can go straight. Straight will be going to Labrador Park. But if you want to go to Labrador Nature Reserve, you have to turn here. And on top the nature reserve got a war memorial plaque. So I think I will go to the nature reserve. Okay, I reached the entrance of this Labrador Reserve, Nature Reserve. And actually you can take all bike, you no need to walk up. Okay, behind is the entrance. In front me is a village for people to stay. So we'll go up now. Later I think I will go to the 6-inch gun to see the old cannon gun. Now I will search for, see here got any interesting insects or not. The purpose I come here is for insects. Okay. Found a very tiny mantis. Oh, my hand is shaking. I think this is a fruit fly.
You wanna go here?
Here is the end of my journey at Labrador Park. No, this is the reserve, nature reserve. Because I got something on, I have to go now. Hope you come back again and do subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up even you don't like it. Thank you. Because my girlfriend WhatsApp me say got a lucky draw food voucher at White Sands, so I will be going there. So I will cut short this journey. I'll come back again. See you next time.